Want to make your speech more engaging? Don't just focus on what you say, pay attention to how you say it. It's all about your tone. Tone is the emotion in your voice. It helps your audience feel what you're saying, not just hear it. When your tone matches your message, your speech becomes more powerful and interesting. Let's say you're telling a funny story. Your tone should sound upbeat and playful. If you're sharing a serious moment, slow down and speak with calmness and care. For example, if I say, "The dog ran down the street," or "The dog ran down the street," they are the exact same words, but have completely different meanings. Changing your tone throughout your speech adds variety and helps hold your audience's attention. Avoid speaking in a monotone, where your voice stays flat the whole time. Even the best speech will sound boring without the right tone. To improve, record yourself speaking and listen back. Ask yourself, do I sound interested in my own topic? Would I want to keep listening? If not, try adjusting your speed, volume, and emotion. Practicing tone does not mean being overly dramatic. It means being expressive and aware of how your voice helps deliver your message. Follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes, where we build confidence and communication skills.